we have a number of scouts that have earned their wolf rank. We got them. They've learned how to handle tools and how to display the flag. They know how to be healthy and safe. They have learned to serve in the community and to conserve energy. They are physically active and like to read. They have fun with their families and their den mates. They obey our country's laws and worship God. The wolf gives us two strengths, wisdom and bravery. The wolf is one of the smartest animals in the woods. The wisdom will serve our scouts well. The wolf is also loyal to the pack. Because of this, the pack is much stronger than the wolf by itself. To confirm your commitment to the wolf pack, you must drink the blood of the wolf. I have here vials of wolf's blood. Before you can receive your wolf rank, each of you must take a drink.
Don't drink.
Drink it up.
Delicious!
Yeah.
It is.
With tomato sauce. Seriously!
Down it. Gotta drink it all.
Bottle up.
Okay.
Come on.
All right. Bottle up.
Congratulations, Scouts. You have shown your commitment to the pack. We now award you your wolf rank.
That's disgusting.
I thought it was delicious a moment ago.
Yeah, really.
Good, Michael.
Mine.
Congratulations.